Hi viewers, welcome to Statistics channel. Today's our video is about the profit and loss. In latter video we will discuss about it. In latter video we discuss some equations and tricks and basic problem. Now present video we are going to discuss what problems and a hard questions in this video, and how to find out this in a easy tricks, using easy tricks to find out them. Okay, let's start our video. Here, a question is, a table is brought for rupees 1500 and its loss 6%, find its SP. Okay, a table is brought for rupees 1500. The given here, CP is 1500 and finding, we have to find here SP. Question. Okay, in last video, a trick is there. The trick is here 100 CP x by SP. Using this trick with a reverse we are going to solve here. Okay, this trick here 100% by 1500 and x keep here 94 by x keeping, because 94 we subtracted here from 100 minus 6, here we get 95%. So simply do cross multiplication. We will see 100 into x by 1500 into 94, or you can using this also, you can write here 100 into x is equals to 1500 into 94, 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 15 into 94 simply 1410, 1410. So how much we get loss here? How much we got loss here? 90 rupees. So 6% loss. This is the finding of here. Okay. Next question. We move to next question. A second problem is, by selling a watch, a man is selling a watch for rupees 1440. A man loses 10%. He loses by selling a watch 10%. He lost. At what price? Here we got one question. And at what price he should sell to get 10% gain? At what price he should to get 10% profit? Gain or profit are same. Okay. We get here SP is 1440 and finding CP. Use the trick here. Simply apply the trick. 100. We know the cost price. We don't know the cost price. Simply keep it as x. And 10% loss now. We keep the 90 and 1440. Cross multiplication. We see a cost by doing the cross multiplication. Here 90 into x is equals to 100 into 1440. Simply 10 10, and 9 ones are 9 16s are. We got here 1600. Okay, half of the problem is completed. We got the cost price. The cost price is 1600. Hello, the cost price is 1600. Okay. But next problem, please note down this. Okay. Next one. $1600 now we got here, and simply, and at what price he should sell to get 10% gain. 100, 1600 and 10% gain. Gain or profit or same? Okay. Here gain 110% by simply will get x or y, any keep here z. Okay, I can cross multiplication. 100 into 100 into z is equals to 110 into 1600. 2 zeros, simply 2 zeros. 16 into 110. 1760. 1760. Yes, he has to sell 1760 rupees to sell the watch to get 10% of profit. Okay. Next we are going to our third problem. Third problem. Okay, our third problem now. Our third problem is so lengthy. So question is so lengthy. So question is giving a set. Only I am explaining your answer. I will explain question also here. Here the question is a man sold 2 radios for each radio is 2000. On one he gains 25% of profit and other he loses 20%. Find his gain or loss percent in the whole transaction. Okay, the question is here. A man has 2 radios with him. He sold the radios. First radio is 2000 and second also 2000. He get profit here. Profit also gain 25%. He get loss here 20%. Okay. At the last he got profit or loss. We are going to discuss here. At the last he got profit or loss. Okay, there are 2 questions here. Use the trick here. Sold means selling price, no? He got 25% gain, so 125, and 20% loss, so 18, and keeping it is as CP1 and CP here 2. Okay, cross multiplication. I am doing the direct here. Fine, and here what we have here. Okay. 25 fours are 25 fives are 5 ones are and 5 4 hundreds are. Okay, we get here our 1600 and here here simply cut 0 0 and 2 fours are 2 fives are and here 4 ones are 5 are 2 0. Simply we will get 2500. Okay, now I am moving here. Now I am our body so much. Now I am roughing it. Please note down why. Okay. Here CP1 is equal to 1600 and CP2 is equal to 2500. Okay. His cost price here 4100 and he sold, selling price is 2000 each na, 2000, 4000. Now he got profit or loss here. Okay, he got loss here 100. We have to find out here loss percentage. Okay, loss percentage here 100 now. Subtract 100 now. 100 by simply cost price 4100 into 100. Okay, simply cut the 2 zeros and 2 zeros. We have 100 into 400. Approximately we will get 2.44. If you have any doubt, you can divide here. Okay, this is our third problem. We are moving to our fourth problem. Our fourth question is, a buyer came to a dress shop, a showroom, and he bought a dress. The dress cost is 1000, and the shopkeeper purchased it for 800. Our question is, the shopkeeper got profit or loss here? Sold, costed. Okay, here you tell here he got profit. How much profit he got? 200. Our question is, what is the percentage on this 200? Okay, we'll go on. Our equation is profit percentage by CP into 100. We are going to apply this method here. Profit percentage is equal to 200 into divided by 800 into 100. 2 zeros, 2 zeros. 2 fours are 2 hundreds are 4 ones are 50, 4 25s are. Okay, here we got 25 into 1, simply 25. 25% he got on the object he purchased. Okay. Okay friends, this is completed our video. Okay friends, thank you for watching our video. Please supporting study tips to get more videos from us. Thank you.
Murder on call with the fight now. 20 years and it seemed like a lifetime. I've been hanging every day from a lifeline. Why these fuckers tell